Alrighty, y'all, what is up? It is Rob back with another video, and you're watching Krabby Hicks Fishing Adventures. And today, we're out here at the Ready Point Reserve Pier, trying to see if we can catch some crabs and maybe a couple fish. It is late afternoon. Y'all know me, that's the style of when I like to go out, pretty much, when the heat starts to cool back down. So, let's see what we can do. Stay tuned. Alrighty, y'all, so today we got 1, 2, 3 right before that fishing pole, 4, and I believe that's all we got out today. We got 4 traps, and I got the minnow trap over there sitting in the water, see if we can catch some bait. But yeah, let's see if we're gonna catch anything in these traps, y'all. So stay tuned. Alrighty, y'all, we got one in here so far. That little baby. Come on, sis, get at. There you go. Nope, wrong way, wrong way. Get away, other way. Too little to be in here anyway. Where you going? Where you going? You going to the pool. Like, you need to go that way. Yeah, go that way. Y'all think she mad? Let's see if it's a male or female. I know I see the bright color calls, but I know up until a certain point, they're like, ooh, all right now, chill out. There we go. Alrighty. Real nice spot, sunset this way. Gonna let her get bigger, but it's a good start to the first trap. See you. Alright, got it. About to pull up the next one. Oh, nothing in that one. So that's a negative Nancy right there. I'll let this one go back down. See what we can do. Got some people on the water this afternoon too, y'all. I don't know if I would be out here in this current without no motor or no Hobie kayak, but I mean, hey. This is a long pier, by the way. You can really walk down this one. A little place where you can bring up your boat. If you gotta do something on land. Here, I got my little Barbie rod out here. So let's see what we can do with some dead cut shrimp on them. But let's check another one of these traps. What should we check? Should we check this one right here? Let's try it. Dang, y'all. I just seen a big one get away. That's what happens when you don't pull up quick on these ring traps, man. They'll slip out. Alrighty, y'all, so far just 1 crab and one of the ring traps that I pulled up. One got out of that from the side, so not doing too good here so far. I mean, it is late afternoon. The bite could have turned off. Could have been great here earlier today. I don't really know, but as of right now, it's dead. But we're gonna keep our fingers crossed for at least like 3 or 4 ones to, cook up for dinner tonight. That's all I really need, honestly. But I get about 5 more minutes and I'll go check back on the traps again. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Bye. Alrighty, y'all, so just like that, we just got us a nice keeper female. Get her in there. That's a nice one right here. It's not too big, but not too small. I can see her points are humongous, so I'm trying to see. Oh no, wait a minute, hold on. Does that mean something attacked her, or? I don't know. I've never seen her apron like that before. She's shedding, maybe? Leave a comment down below if y'all know what that means. I've never seen that. And that's a no-go on this trap too, y'all, so it might just be a slow day out here. but right back out. Let's check our bait trap that we had. I've never used one of these before, so I don't even know if I'm using it right. But I got some shrimp in there. So we'll see if there's anything. Bait house in there. It's full of shrimp. Let's just see if we can catch anything in there. That I let go, another one got out of the trap out of the side, and then I got one female that I caught in the box trap. So I'll get back to you if I catch anything. Alrighty, believe it or not, this little rod was just bending over. I think something was biting it. I only got a little piece of shrimp on there, but we'll see if it comes back around. For this little rod, I mean, them hits was pretty severe, so we'll see. But that view. Y'all, I just caught a redfish on the Barbie rod. On that little yellow Barbie rod. I'm about to see how big he is. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, y'all. How big redfish gotta be? Hold on. It's like 13 inches. Cute little redfish. Word. So, alright, y'all. Maybe the crabs might be down, but we did catch us a little redfish. Holy crap. Holy crap. Alright, y'all. I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all. The pier's now closed, but I did catch a crab. I don't know if y'all can see. Right there. In the minnow trap. So we do got another crab to take home too. On top of there, if you can see. So, the bait trap works. Let me get out of here and get back to the house. I'll see y'all soon. Alrighty, y'all. I'm just grabbing the rest of my stuff. Grabbing my rest of the fishing stuff and crabbing stuff. This is Ready Point Pier. A nice little public pier. You can come out and do all types of stuff. So if you're in the area, you should definitely check out Ready Point Park or Ready Point Reserve, as I think it is on the Apple Maps. But yeah, I'll see you guys back at the house once I get the water boiling for the crabs, and stay tuned for the next video. See you guys later.